This video shows eagle-eyed soldiers spotting a Russian truck hiding in Ukrainian woodland before blowing it up in a ball of fire. The footage comes from the elite Ukrainian Air Assault Forces. The video shows how in one of the areas of combat missions, artillerymen of the 79th Separate Assault Brigade of the Mykolaiv of the Armed Forces of Ukraine destroyed a Ural truck with ammunition and a dugout of the Russian occupiers. The paratroopers note, "Enemies will not hide from us, all will be destroyed sooner or later. We continue to carry out combat missions, protecting Ukraine and its citizens. Together to victory. Always first. Glory to Ukraine." The Rapid Deployment Force and one of the 5 branches of the Armed Forces of Ukraine did not specify where in the country the footage was filmed. The Ural 4320 is a general-purpose off-road 6x6 vehicle produced at the Urals automotive plant in Mias, Russia. It has several users, including both Russia and Ukraine. Russian troops invaded Ukraine on 24 February in what the Kremlin initially called a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify the country. The Kremlin now says the aim of its operation is to protect Donbas. The General Staff of the Ukraine reported that from 24 February Russia had lost 24,900 troops, 1,110 tanks, 2,686 armored fighting vehicles, 502 artillery systems, 171 multiple launch rocket systems, 83 anti-aircraft systems, 199 warplanes, 155 helicopters, 1,926 vehicles and fuel tankers, 11 vessels, 324 tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, 38 units of special equipment and 90 cruise missiles. The Russia have also accused the West of feeding intelligence to Ukraine to support their fight against what Russia calls a special military operation. The US has denied the claim, including the suggestion that they told Ukrainians how they could track down and target Russian generals for assassination by snipers. It was also suggested more recently that intelligence in Washington is what helped Ukraine sink the Russian warship Moskva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.